So what we have here is a brim, or some people may call them little perch, as I do, relatives of sockeye and the sunfish. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it. The way you want to clean these guys is you want to chop the head off, completely off. Like so. I'm not using the greatest knife, but this will do for the job. Then kind of just want to cut down the middle of it, like so, and take all the guts and nasty stuff out of there. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is take a spoon and basically just descale it, like so, until you get all the scales off. The finished product should look something like this. Not much of a difference, but you will be able to tell the look of it, that it is a lot different than before. So now we're just gonna go ahead, put it in this pan, batter it up, put some seasons in it, and we'll fry it up just like that.